Hi, this is Malchiah Gracie Hewitt with another toy with Starlight and Swamp-Fire. I made them, and I'm glad you didn't click on a Stu Carter one. So, here's our feature from Secret Saturdays Komodo. This guy can do the same thing as Swampfire's head. He can turn his head all around, and on the show Secret Saturdays, he can blend into things. So he has a tail, and he has red eyes, and he's one of the cryptid, but the Secret Saturdays family pet. And he's from Cartoon Network, which it says, and it's made in China. And here's his feet, and he has these two tubes sticking out from his mouth, and here's his tail. Like, it can move around, and you can turn it like this. So, I'll have some more videos when I can buy some more toys. Bye!